Did you know that several U.S. presidents, both Democratic and Republican, have recognized the importance of music education in schools? Their words and their actions have played a significant role in shaping our nation's perspective on the arts.
Thank God, oh good.
Former President Bill Clinton, a Democrat, once said, "The arts and music aren't just extra. They're part of the fabric of our society."
Got this sax man behind him, maybe a piano, harmonica, and drums.
This statement underlines the integral role that music plays in our culture and our identity.
This is who we are.
Similarly, President Barack Obama emphasized the value of music education, stating, "Arts education isn't a luxury, it's a necessity."
Necessity to maintain balance in the world.
His words remind us that music is not just an optional add-on, but a vital component of a comprehensive education.
Education is the key, guys.
But it's not just Democratic presidents who have championed most education.
Where are the Democrats?
Republican presidents have also recognized its importance.
You know, Republicans.
For instance, President Ronald Reagan once said, "Arts and music, they're America's greatest common ground."
The President of the United States, Ronald Reagan himself, wrote me a personal letter thanking me for my support.
His words highlighted how music can bring people together regardless of their backgrounds or beliefs. These powerful words from our nation's leaders highlight the significance of music education in shaping well-rounded individuals.
Good for them, you know?
Music has the ability to inspire creativity, foster teamwork, and enhance cognitive skills. And it transcends political lines and unites us all in our shared humanity.
Rock and roll, God bless America.
By incorporating music into the schools, we're not only nurturing future musicians, but also developing future leaders.
And what kind of leaders would it throw up?
We're fostering a generation of creative thinkers and problem solvers who can navigate the complexities of our rapid changing world.
All right.
So, let's take a cue from our presidents and continue to support music education in our communities. Let's advocate for policies that ensure every student has access to quality music education. In fact, President Biden signed the American Rescue Act into law on March 12, 2021. This legislation includes a substantial round of elementary and secondary education relief funding, totaling $126 billion for K-12 education. This funding can be used to support music education in schools, further emphasizing the importance our leaders place on the arts.
That's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah.
Together, we can ensure every student has the opportunity to experience the transformative power of music and music education.
I've been waiting for this bonus.
Let's go around and continue to make education a priority for the benefit of our students, our communities, and our nation.
You see why I love America even more than most people do?